Hey everyone, and welcome back to a new review on my channel. Today we're unboxing and reviewing the Liquid Elements Terminator V2, a budget rotary polisher from an independent German detailing brand. Nope, they didn't sponsor this video yet. But hey, Liquid Elements, my inbox is always open. So why did I buy it? Simple, I needed a rotary polisher to add to my kit. The budget was tight, and for 160 euros, VAT and delivery included, this one caught my eye. First impressions right out of the box: unlike many brands that throw in a bulky plastic case, this comes in a proper carry bag with handles and a shoulder strap. Nice touch. Inside you will find a wrench, 2 spare carbon brushes, a user manual, and the 125mm backing plate. And then, of course, the star of the show, the polisher itself. One thing I really love, the speed settings are printed right on top. It runs from speed 1 at 1000 RPM all the way up to speed 6 at 3000 RPM. Plus, the 8-meter cable means you can move around the whole car without constantly swapping sockets or dragging an extension cord. It's also lightweight at just 2.4 kilograms, which means no sore arms even after a decent polishing session. For the demo, I grabbed my own 2011 Renault Laguna. Swirl marks, scratches and light oxidation everywhere. I went for a simple one-step polish, just to bring back gloss and remove most defects. The setup: Sonax medium pad plus Sonax perfect finish polish for the first pass. Later I switched to a zvizzer wool pad for the heavier damage. I kept it between the speeds 3 and 4, around 1850 RPM. And after just one pass, you can clearly see the difference. It did not remove all of the scratches because, like I said, this is just a one-step polish. The goal of it is to remove minor defects and bring back gloss, but still, it did a really good job. Quick tip though, if you're new to polishing, I wouldn't start with a rotary, go with a dual action polisher first. It's much more forgiving. So, Liquid Elements, if you want me to review one of your DA polishers or pads, you know where to find me. Final verdict, for the price, this thing is a beast. It's powerful, comfortable, quiet enough, and the 8-meter cable is a game changer. The only con, you need some polishing experience before jumping into a rotary. Alright, that's enough talking. Here are some close-up clips of what this machine can do. Thank you for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next review.